Right, I'm behind him right now, and the wind's blowing about 30 miles an hour out of the north, and I can't even see him. Right. Right now, when you see this video, you'll be pretty impressed. Right. Cool. And that's where? Okay. Way too fast on the interstate. Jeez, we're gonna get going about 35 miles an hour. We're driving on a pure sheet of ice here. Get up to speed a little bit, and I'm gonna just stand on the brake pedal right at this phone pole and see how long it takes me to stop. So you hear the ABS grabbing. I believe the distance on that to be approximately 50 yards. I'm not sure what the distance is between these phone poles, but we'll do that again. This is about 1 inch of ice on the road. Get going again here, go about 35 miles an hour. We'll jab on the brakes here at this next phone pole. Here's 35. And there we go, to the floor. Nothing but ABS. I don't know if you can hear it engaging or not. I made it all the way to the next telephone pole. So approximately 50 to 60 yards of stopping distance. People out on the interstate were going about 70 miles an hour, which is insane. So there you have it.